My name is David Cost. I'm sales manager for GEA Pharma Spray Dryers, supporting customers across Europe and Asia. I'm a chemical engineer and hold a PhD in biotechnology. I have over 20 years of experience in the pharmaceutical industry. I joined the GEA in 2010, and since then I have contributed to over 100 pharmaceutical spray drying projects. In recent years, we have seen an increasing demand for spray drying products with high containment. Today, I would say that more than half of the projects we have are with OEB3, OEB4, and even OEB5 products. GEA has, of course, developed technologies to cover all these different types of containments. The second trend we see is about data communication and control integration with DCS. DCS is the distributed control system used by customers on site. Overall, the control system is becoming more and more complex based on customer demands to advanced control. And finally, and this is why we're here today, we have seen a trend about spray drying products under aseptic conditions. This is because more and more of large biomolecules for injections are reaching the market. The obvious advantage of aseptic spray drying is that you will get a sterile powder that doesn't need to be post-sterilized before injection. The advantage of aseptic spray drying compared to other drying methods, such as freeze drying, is that you will get a lower operating and capital cost. You will get a faster processing time, and the main advantage is that you will be able to control powder characteristics, such as particle size and morphology. There are other advantages, like spray drying being a continuous technology, and then that you are able to evaporate different organic solvents. The technology for spray drying between the two plants are exactly the same, but the aseptic spray dryer will be designed to be steam sterilized and maintain sterility during operation. The plant will be built as a pressure vessel and equipped with two sterile filters, one at the inlet and one at outlet. We will be able to test filter integrity before and after operation, and powder discharge can be done in a sterile glove box that can also be supplied by GEA. Spray drying is nowadays a very well established technology. Aseptic spray drying is still considered like a new technology, even if we have already built aseptic spray dryers 15 years ago. And we have seen also that it can be an advantage to use aseptic spray drying over other type of drying technologies. But there are some misconceptions. Some people think, for example, that they can't spray dry their products because it would be damaged during spray drying due to the high temperatures. This is not completely true. We have seen that in most cases, the molecule structure and activity will be maintained after spray drying. And it actually can be even better than with some other drying technologies. There are some other questions also about, for example, the viability of the sterilization method that we are using. The viability of aseptic spray drying can be demonstrated through rigorous validation protocols in combination with industry-recognized methods for cleaning, sterilization, sterile filter integrity testing, and powder handling. This will ensure that we meet the highest aseptic standards in full compliance with regulatory requirements. For example, validation cycles for steam sterilization will include the temperature and pressure mapping and the use of bioindicators in different positions in the plant. The first thing to do is to have a robust spray drying process. This can be done in our test station in Copenhagen. Once we have optimized parameters for the spray drying, we can discuss sterility and sterility control. This will be done in close discussion between our experts and the customer. Based on these discussions, we will be able to design an aseptic spray dryers that meet customers' requirements. So you are very welcome to contact us if you want to discuss your future aseptic spray drying project.